Amazing health benefits of spirulina. Do you know there is a superfood that can fight against a number of diseases? Well, today we are going to talk about spirulina, the superfood. Spirulina has been one of the most sought-after supplements of all time, partly thanks to the fact that it's a superfood. Do you know that the amount of protein it has is at a similar level as eggs? It is a type of cyanobacteria, often called blue-green algae, that one can take for excellent nutritional content and health benefits as it is loaded with various nutrients and antioxidants. So, let's take a moment and learn about the potential health benefits of spirulina. Number 1. Various nutrients found in spirulina. The blue-green algae are capable of growing in both salt and fresh water and can produce energy through photosynthesis, just like a plant. A daily intake of 5-10 grams of this algae should be enough to get a healthy intake of some of the best nutrients and minerals necessary for your body. An average of 7 grams of this algae would contain almost 4 grams of protein, and the rest of 3 grams will consist of vitamin B1, B2, B3, copper, iron, magnesium, potassium, manganese, along with trace amounts of everything you need. Number 2. Powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. There is a significant quantity of free radicals in our body, and as the name suggests, they roam freely throughout your body, damaging various cells in your body. These damages over time may lead to cancer, chronic diseases, and many other diseases. Antioxidants, on the other hand, eliminates free radicals and slows down the production of these free radicals in the first place. Also, anti-inflammatories protect your body from any excess inflammations that can be found in various parts of your body. Number 3. It can lower cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. Do you know out of 4 deaths every second is due to heart diseases? One of the leading factors of heart disease is cholesterol, and this may come as a surprise to you, but not all cholesterol is bad for you. In fact, some cholesterol is actually good for your body, while some can be absolutely worse for your body, and that's LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Having spirulina in your diet could lower the bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while also increasing the amount of HDL cholesterol, which is actually good for your body. Number 4. Protects your fatty cells from oxidative damage. There are various parts in our body where fatty structures and cells are deposited and susceptible to damage caused by oxidation. The effect of bad LDL cholesterol on the heart that we just talked about, the oxidative state of bad cholesterol, is even worse. This is more popularly known as lipid peroxidation. The antioxidants that we know spirulina has can also protect you from this oxidative state of LDL cholesterol. A study also found that those with type 2 diabetes also had much less oxidative damage. Number 5. Has anti-cancer properties. A study was published in 2009, and the result was astonishing for many in the scientific community. It showed that the regular consumption of spirulina had some positive effects in the fight against cancer. This led to scientists conducting more studies, and they got similar results, whether they conducted the studies on oral cancer or blood cancer, also known as leukemia. For example, in one study of oral cancer, a study was conducted in India with a group of 87 oral cancer patients with precancerous lesions. They found that their lesions started disappearing when they began taking spirulina for a year. Number 6. May help reduce blood pressure. As you already know, high blood pressure is capable of causing some of the deadliest human conditions, such as heart attack, strokes, and chronic kidney diseases, among others. But the good news is that all of these symptoms can be managed and controlled without taking any medication, which can also cause some side effects of their own. And natural superfood, such as spirulina, is one way to go. Consumption of spirulina can cause an increased production of nitric oxide, which causes your blood vessels to relax, which will significantly lower your blood pressure. Number 7. Improves symptoms of allergic rhinitis. A lot of people these days seem to be suffering from allergic rhinitis. What it does is that it causes inflammation in your nasal passageways that will make it difficult for you to breathe. Anything from pollen to wheat to animal hair can trigger this condition and cause trouble breathing. Spirulina is not just effective, but has been recommended by doctors for those looking for natural remedies. Studies have also confirmed that it works very well and relieves you from all the symptoms of rhinitis. Number 8. Quite effective against anemia. While there are different forms of anemia, but the one that reduces the production of hemoglobin is one of the most common conditions that has plagued a lot of people now. This condition will make you feel you have no energy, severe weakness, and fatigue. But fortunately, spirulina can help with that. Spirulina supplements are very effective in restoring the original production of hemoglobin. Number 9. Improves muscle strength and endurance. When you perform heavy duties, intense jobs, or workouts, your body generates oxidative damage. It's one of the reasons why you feel fatigued so quickly, and spirulina can help with that. It has been shown to improve muscle strength and endurance and reduces the chance of getting fatigued easily. Number 10. Efficiently keeps your blood sugar in check. Those who have diabetes either need to watch out sugary diet or take medication to keep their blood sugar levels in check, but that has some side effects of its own. One such medication is metformin, but a study has found that consuming spirulina can lower your blood sugar level even more than that of metformin without the side effects that come with metformin. Now, isn't that amazing? As you know by now, spirulina is capable of regulating a bunch of functions in your body. You may want this food to be in your shopping cart the next time you go out to the market, especially if you want this healthy food in your diet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any queries and want me to make a video on any specific topic, just drop a comment. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep watching Think Good.